Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplustudents.com. You have to log in there using email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 math. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter Subtraction Skill Builders. The lessons we're going to cover today are subtracting 2, subtracting 3, subtracting 4, and subtracting 5. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples. Okay, let's just start with the first example, that is 3 take away 2. So we're going to learn how do we subtract, right? So there are so many ways we can subtract by. So let's just start with the first one. For example, you have to do 3 take away 2, right? Let's just make the lines for the greater number. 3 is greater. 1, 2, 3. Now remove the lines for the smaller number 2. So remove 2 of the lines. Now you have to count the ones you are left. So you are left with only 1 line. So that means 3 take away 2 is 1. Got it? So 3 take away 2 equals 1. So there are so many methods to subtract. You can do the method you find easy for you, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, like for example, the first one is 9 take away 2, right? So let's just write them one above the other. That is the first thing you have to do. Now you can make 9 lines for the greater number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you have to remove the lines that are the smaller number 2. You have to remove 2 of them. Now you have to count the left ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you are left with 7 lines. That means 9 take away 2 is 7. Got it? So the correct option is 7. So the correct option is 7. 9 take away 2 is 7. The next one is 3 take away 2. So let's just subtract, right? The other way is you can start with the smaller number and count up till the greater one. So smaller number is 2. You have to count until 3. So 2, 3. So you have only 1 from 2 to 3. That means 3 take away 2 is 1. That is another way to subtract, right? So you can use whatever method you find easy for you, right? So 3 take away 2 is 1. The correct option is 1. Like the next one is 10 take away 2, right? So start with the smaller number and count up till the greater one. So start with 2, count until 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So we started from 2 and count until 10. So for each number, I made a line. Now you can just count these lines, right? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 take away 2 is 8. The correct option is 8. Got it? The correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is 5 take away 2. So which is the correct option? Start with 2 and count until 5, right? So they are 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 1, 2, 3 numbers until 5, right? If you start with 2, or you can write the numbers, right? Like for example, if you started from 2, that is 3, 4, and 5. So you have 3 numbers until 5. So the correct option is 3, 5 take away 2 is 3. Got it? The correct option is 3. Okay, 2 take away 2 is 0, right? If you subtract a number from itself, the answer is always a 0. So 2 take away 2 is 0. The correct option is 0. 7 take away 2 equals. So start with 2 and count until 7. So they are 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 take away 2 is 5. The correct option is 5. You're not adding, you're subtracting. Subtracting means taking away. How to take away 2 is 4. You have 2 of the pencils. You shared, you give both to your sister. How many pencils you are left with? 4 or 0? 7 take away 2 is 5. The correct option is 5. The next one is 6 take away 2. So which is the correct option? 4. It is 6 take away 2 is 4. The correct option is 4. 4 take away 2, which is the correct option. 4 take away 2 is? Yes, 2 it is. The correct option is 2. 8 take away 2, which is the correct option. The correct option is yes, 6 it is. 8 take away 2 is 6. 9 take away 2 is very good. 7 it is. The correct option is 7. 11 take away 2 is 9 it is right. The correct option is 9. 11 take away 2 is 9. 10 how 10 can you please explain? 10 take away 2 equals be careful, right? You can use your notebook and pencil. Yes, 10 take away 2 is 8. The correct option is 8. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. So basically, the concept of subtraction is exactly same, just the numbers are different. Like for example, we're going to learn subtracting 3. Now we're going to learn how do we subtract the number 3. But the concept and the method is exactly same. You just the numbers are different, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is 3 take away 3, right? So that is subtracting a number from itself. So subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So 3 take away 3 is 0. Got it? Okay, the first one is 12 take away 3. So same thing, you can use whatever method you can find easy for you. For example, you can start with the smaller number and count until the greater one. So start with 3 and count until 12. So after 3, you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Right now, you have to count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means 12 take away 3 equals 9, right? You can use the method you can find easily for you. So 12 take away 3 is 9. The correct option is 9. The next one is 9 take away 3. which is the correct option. Nine takeaway three is yes, six. That is the correct option. Is six. Option number two is the correct option. Very good. 11 takeaway three equals eleven takeaway three is very good. Eight. It is the correct option. Is eight. Six takeaway three equals six takeaway three is three. It is six takeaway three is three. The correct option is three. The next one is 10 takeaway three. So 10 takeaway three is 10 takeaway three is very good. Seven. It is the correct option is seven. 5 takeaway three is very good. Two. It is the correct option is two. 8 takeaway three is 8 take away 3 is, yes, very good. 5, it is the correct option is 5. 4 take away 3 is, 4 take away 3 is, yes, 1, it is the correct option is 1. 7 take away 3 is, the correct option is, very good, 4, it is 7 take away 3 is 4. 3 take away 3 is, yes, 0, it is subtracting a number from itself always makes us 0, the correct option is 0. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next one, and the next one is subtracting 4. Again, the same thing. The concept of subtraction is same. Now, just the numbers are different. We have to learn how do we subtract the different numbers, right? So you can use the same method, just the numbers are different. For example, we're going to start with 13 take away 4. So you have to use the method you can find easy for you. Start with the smaller number and count up till the greater one. So they are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You have to count those nines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 how? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right there. 9. So 13 take away 4 is 9, right? So please be very careful when you are subtracting, right? So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is 9 take away 4. So start with 4 and count up till the greater number, right? So that would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see the number is exactly the same. Just the numbers are different, right? So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 take away 4 equals 5. The correct option is 5. Got it? The correct option is 5. 12, take away 4, which is the correct option. 12, take away 4 is the correct option is very good. 8, it is 12, take away 4 is 8. The correct option is 8. 11, take away 4 is very good. 7, it is the correct option is 7. Six take away four is very good. Two, it is the correct option is two. Seven take away four, which is the correct option. Yes, seven take away four is three. The correct option is three. Option number three is the correct option. Four take away four is yes, zero. It is the correct option is zero. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a zero. Got it? Okay, the next one is five take away four, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 1. 5 take away 4 is 1. Very good. The next one is 13 take away 4. 13 take away 4 is. Yes, 9 it is. 13 take away 4 is 9. Very good. The correct option is 9. 10 take away 4. You have to start with a smaller number and count up till the greater one. You start with 4, count up till 10. So that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The correct option is 6. 10 take away 4 is 6. The correct option is 6. 8 take away 4, which is the correct option. Eight take away four is four. The correct option is four. Nine take away four, which is the correct option. The correct option is yes. Five, it is option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is subtracting five. So let's just see how do we subtract five, right? The math is exactly same, just the number is different. So let's just start with the subtracting five. Let's just start with the test questions. That is 5 take 5, right? Subtracting a number from Excel for using Excel. The correct option is 0. Subtracting a number from itself always makes it 0, 10. How you're not adding, you're subtracting, taking away. It is taking away means you have to subtract. You have all you, for example, you already have five balloons, right? You give all of them to your sister. How many balloons you are left with? You are left with zero, not 10, right? 10 is when you're adding, you're subtracting. So the correct option is zero. 10 take away 5, which is the correct option. Yes, 5 it is. 10 take away 5 is 5. The correct option is option number 1, that is 5. 6 take away 5 is 6 take away 5 is very good 1. It is the correct option is 1. 12 take away 5, which is the correct option. Yes, 7 it is the correct option is 7. 12 take away 5 is 7, not 8, right? Be careful when subtracting. 7 take away 5, which is the correct option. 7 take away 5 is 2. The correct option is 2. 13 take away 5, which is the correct option. 14 take away 5 is 9. 8 it is how 9. The correct option is 8. Option number 3 is the correct option. Use your notebook and pencil. Please do not guess the answer, right? 14 take away 5 is yes, that is 9. 14 take away 5 is 9. Takeaway 5 is yes, 3. It is the correct option is 3. But you guys don't use your notebook and pencil. Guys just guessing the answers. 5 takeaway 5 is 0. It is 5 takeaway 5 is 0. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. Chapter we were working on is fraction skill builders. The lessons we have covered today are subtracting 2, subtracting 3, subtracting 4, and subtracting 5, right? So please make sure before the next session, you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the site. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask questions. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.